All right, good morning. It is cruise day. I'm trying not to show my apartment because it is a total mess. It looks like a tornado ran through it. But hey, it is cruise day. We're going on just a 3-day cruise to get a feel of the AquaClass. So we're going to check out the AquaClass experience on the Celebrity Reflection. Just so happens that this is going to be the same cruise ship that we are on next year in June of 2026 for our ultimate group cruise. So I'm going to check out two things. I'm going to check out the ship for our ultimate solo group cruisers, as well as experience the AquaClass for the first time. All right, I'm about to call an Uber and let's get headed to the port.
Celebrity makes it super easy and convenient for you to complete your safety requirements even before you board. While waiting for my Uber, I was able to watch the safety video through the app on my phone. A quick ride to the port, and now it was time to board.
All right, we are boarding now. Celebrity Reflection, my first time on this ship, on this class of ship, I think.
And as they say, no matter how many times you sail, this excitement never gets old. From the moment you board, you can feel the calm energy that Celebrity is known for. Elegant spaces, a fresh scent of sea air, and a promise of pure relaxation ahead. Right after boarding, the crew leads you to your muster station. A quick, calm start that sets the tone for the rest of the journey. Now, once that's done, you can head straight to your room to drop off your bags. Now, that's a small perk that makes embarkation days so much smoother on Celebrity.
All right, sweet. We're on deck 12, 2125. However, the rooms are not ready, so I just dropped off my things. They told us we can come drop the things off, but not to hang around because as you can see, like the bedding is not on or anything. So I am about to go and just walk around a little bit. Where I am is right down from the spa area, so maybe we'll go ahead and take a tour of the thermal spa. Hey, are you enjoying this content so far? If you are, I hope that you will like this video and subscribe to the channel so that I'll know to create more content like this.
Now let's check out the spa.
So for AquaClass, it's come and go as you please, yes. Or what's okay? Yes. So here's the steam room. Out of here. The steam. Oh, it's nice and steamy. And here are our stone loungers here. So it looks like quite a few, because usually on ships this is one of the hardest things to get a hold of, but they have quite a few. And here's your shower treatments. So yes, plenty of stone. I think this is the most that I've ever seen on a ship. And here we have a cold room. Here's the cold room. This is another steam, very steamy in there, and aromatic suite. So I am going to enjoy this. I'm looking forward to this. And of course, a nice view. And once you come out, you have your water station here. And here's your women's changing room.
The women's changing area is compact but thoughtfully designed. You'll find lockers, showers, and a vanity with essentials.
Got changing stalls here.
It's not flashy, but it's clean, calm, and keeps that spa ambience going before and after your visit to the Persian Garden.
And restrooms. And this is the sauna.
It's those little touches like this tucked away sauna that makes the AquaClass experience feel surprisingly serene for a premium ship.
And here is your barbershop and your salon.
One of the best perks of sailing AquaClass is the exclusive access to the Persian Garden, Celebrity's signature thermal suite. It's a calm, aromatic space designed for total relaxation. What I love is how quiet and restorative it feels. You can just feel the stress melt away. Now, it's smaller than what you'll find on some newer luxury ships or even Celebrity's Edge class ships. You won't see plunge pools or hydro pools like other full spas, but for a premium cruise line, it's still a lovely space to slow down, recharge, and get that wellness at sea vibe. And it's proof that you can find your calm without the luxury price tag. Just steps from the spa, the fitness center on the Celebrity Reflection keeps that wellness theme going. It's bright, spacious, and fully equipped, from treadmills and ellipticals with those ocean views to free weights, resistance machines, and stretching areas. You'll even find fitness classes and personal training sessions available if you want to take your wellness routine up a notch. So whether you're here for a full workout or just a morning stretch before breakfast, it's another way AquaClass helps you feel good while you sail.
It's called the Motion Studios. This is going to be like the workout room. Nice little space here with a nice view over there. I can imagine working out here at sea. I'm hoping they have sunrise yoga here.
Now, after a little self-care, if you want to switch gears, I found that the world-class bar is where relaxation meets refinement. They have handcrafted cocktails, an elegant vibe, and it was the perfect spot to unwind before dinner. This was the heart of the ship. Open, light, and just stunning. The grand chandelier draws your eyes up while the Atrium hums softly below. To one side, you'll find Sushi on 5, fresh, modern, and beautifully presented. On the other, Cafe El Bacio, the go-to spot for rich espressos, pastries, and quiet moments overlooking the sea. The Gelateria even takes it up a notch with its liquor-infused creations, bourbon ice cream, champagne and tequila sorbets, and more. It's a unique celebrity touch that feels a little unexpected and a lot indulgent. Celebrity is known for its specialty dining, each restaurant with its own vibe and personality. From elegant decor to creative menus, it's a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Qsine is all about fun and flavor. Think globally inspired small plates with a twist, playful presentations, bold colors, and dishes that surprise you in the best way. It's dining turned into an experience. Whimsical, creative, and definitely not your typical cruise meal. And then there's Blue, the exclusive restaurant for AquaClass guests. This is where wellness meets luxury. Clean, beautifully plated dishes, attentive service, and a calm, spa-like atmosphere. Breakfast here is serene, and dinners feel quietly elegant. It's not about restriction. It's about balance, flavor, and feeling good at sea. Now, for this sailing, I'll be dining in Blue for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So you'll see the full experience throughout this series.
All right, so I took a nice little tour of the spa and fitness area, checked out Blue for AquaClass. Interesting thing, I'm not sure if I'm gonna eat there tonight or not, but the first night in Blue, the menu is kind of skimpy, and she, showed me that it was skimpy, but it's like, I don't know if this is all the time, but they're doing an upsell. So for the first night, they'll give you 30% off of any other restaurant. Because the Blue restaurant menu is kind of skimpy, I'm probably going to pass on, buying. If anything, I'll just go to the buffet and, just check that out tonight, or one of the main dining rooms. I'm not going to upsell to a specialty restaurant, but that is kind of interesting how the first night, and I did look at the menu, it didn't look, very appealing, even though I know it's supposed to be healthy, but yeah, not too many options and not very appealing. So for now, I decided to come to the buffet to grab something to eat. Just trying to decide what I wanted. I ended up getting Mexican. So I just went to the Mexican station. I got this is a chicken fajita, some rice, some nachos over there, refried beans, a little bit of guac. So just kind of like a Mexican plate. Now, I would have shown the buffet, but of course, buffet the first day, it's always hectic. Well, the buffet is always hectic anyway, but especially now. Hopefully later on, I'll get a chance to go through and show you like the different options that they have here on the Celebrity Reflection on the buffet. And of course, we have to get our first drink of the cruise. This is just a margarita just to get us started. Let's see how their margaritas are. I didn't get a mezcal one this time. Well, they probably don't have it out here at the buffet bar, so. Oh, okay, it's decent. Okay, we can work with this. And this is the Porch. You can eat here for an upcharge. I considered eating here for lunch. Lunch was $30. So, but I didn't feel like I was $30 hungry. But I don't know, maybe we'll try it this time. But if not, I know I can try it next year on our cruise. All right, we are on, I think this is deck 11. Same deck as the buffet, and this is the lawn.
The lawn is one of Celebrity's most unique spaces. It's a full half-acre of real grass at sea. It's peaceful, refined, and the perfect spot to unwind with a drink or to catch the sunset.
Oh no, these are cabanas that you rent. I'll see if I can get the pricing on that for you. Let's see. Oh, this is, I mean, it is lawn. But yeah, so these are reserved, so you can reserve little areas up here if you want to just kind of sit here and relax. But this is actually nice. I love this. And then here's the lawn club grill. There's some hammocks over there, a big chair that you can sit in and take pictures, a couple of big chairs. And we got a big screen up here. But yeah, the lawn grill, and it's an upcharge. I hear him over there trying to upsell this couple for tonight. But it looks absolutely beautiful, absolutely stunning. And I can imagine having dinner out here. I don't know, we may have to look into this. We'll see. And a couple of hammocks on both sides. We have a back area back here that extends to the back to the sunset bar. Let's go to the sunset bar. We're gonna go around here to the sunset bar. Again, nice green lawn that extends back here to the back. Came back here to have a seat in their seating area. There is a menu here. So we're gonna check out the menu, see if we can find something different, you know, something that we haven't had before. But it is a nice area. They have nice little cushioned sofas and chairs out here. It's arranged like in little cubbies and everything. So you have a little bit of, you know, separation, a little bit of privacy. But right now we're gonna check out the Sunset Bar menu and see where we can find a drink. All right, I was about to order something, but she came and gave me, I got the premium package here. So this is the Sailaway cocktail. So she just handed me this because I have the premium drink package. So I guess we will drink this. You know, I didn't ask what it was. I don't know if this is a rum punch. So let me find out what this is. But yeah, if you have the drink package, I guess you they just come around and hand you drinks. So we'll try this one. Let's see. Ooh, kind of on the sweet side. You know, I'm not really into sweet drinks, but sweet, refreshing, fruity. It's like, I think this is a rum punch. Yeah, this is like a rum punch, but it's really good.
And now, let's check out the Reflections energy at the Sailaway party. Now, what I liked is that it had the party vibe Sailaway without feeling overly packed. What I love about Celebrity is how diverse the crowd is. People of all ages and backgrounds and styles all dancing together, just soaking in the moment. And it's such a great reminder that cruising really is for everyone. There were a few little ones on board, like this tiny little dancer. But overall, there's not as many kids as you would expect for a summer sailing. Celebrity definitely draws a more relaxed adult crowd. And we even had a little boots on the ground. Sailaway on Celebrity is pure joy. Dancing, sunshine, and smiles all around. If you love the high energy Sailaways from other cruise lines, but not that packed shoulder-to-shoulder feeling. This one's perfect, lively, social, and still comfortably relaxed. Now that rooms are ready, I'm heading to my AquaClass stateroom, my home for this sailing. AquaClass is designed for those who love wellness, relaxation, and a touch of luxury. It's about elevating your cruise experience in the most peaceful way possible. You'll find thoughtful details everywhere, from the upgraded bath amenities and the spa-inspired shower to plush robes, slippers, and exclusive access to the Persian Garden thermal suite. AquaClass guests also enjoy daily bottled water, an enhanced pillow menu, and Dining in Blue, the exclusive restaurant that blends wellness with fine dining. The minibar includes a complimentary bottle of champagne to toast your voyage. Now that's a lovely touch, with additional beverages available for purchase if you'd like to indulge further. For me, AquaClass is all about balance. That feeling of calm and care woven into every part of your stay. If you enjoy premium comfort, personalized service, and a wellness-focused experience without the full luxury line price tag, AquaClass is absolutely worth it.
And this is a tour of cabin 2125, the AquaClass experience on the Celebrity Reflection.
There's nothing like that first sail away from your balcony. The sound of the waves and the skyline fading behind you. And this is only the beginning. Next time, we'll dive into the solo meetup, Dining at Blue, and the Celebrity Reflections nightlife.
Are you ready for your first or your next cruise and need assistance? Scan the QR code and let's work together to plan your customized cruise experience.